Meet Scott Dean, a local remodeling contractor. While his competitors are doing a lot less business nowadays, Scott's business is booming. Scott and other smart local business owners are experiencing tremendous business growth, and they're making more money than ever before. How is this possible with such a weak economy? Forward-thinking local business owners have discovered an easy way to increase their visibility, bring in more customers, and more importantly, make more money. These smart business owners have discovered the power of direct response video commercials. What is a direct response video commercial? A direct response video commercial uses the process and strategy of exposing a prospect to an irresistible offer precisely at the time when they have a definite need for your product or service. An example would be a homeowner who has a clogged drain and needs help. He goes to Google and searches for a local plumber. Your video stands out prominently in the search results. He watches your video, and within minutes, your phone rings. You just got a new customer. Besides creating top-producing direct response video commercials at a surprisingly affordable price, we can also promote your new video on multiple video sharing sites and social networks, so you'll get plenty of exposure to new prospects. The videos we create typically rank high in the search engines, especially after our promotional process. Check out our sample direct response video commercials and be sure to view our prices. You'll be pleasantly surprised.